Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we have another cooking video for you guys. So we're doing some oven jerk chicken. Yes, so in this container I have some chicken already washed and ready to be seasoned. So now I'll be adding some seasoning to the chicken. I am using a teaspoon of jerk powdered seasoning, and I'll be using another jerk powdered seasoning. This one is Chef Choice. This smells really good. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of this one. Yes, so now I'll be using the Grace Jerk seasoning or sauce, whatever you want to call it. All I can tell you guys that this tastes so good. Yes, I'll be using 2 tablespoons. No. 1 tablespoon. What am I saying? I don't want to use 2 tablespoons. It's too hot. So I'm using 1 tablespoon, guys. 1 tablespoon of this jerk spicy season, and then I'll be mixing it in to incorporate all those season. Now rubbing it in, guys, and getting my hands messy, but it was worth it because I'm telling you, this jerk turned out so good. It was so delicious, guys, and the chicken was so tender and juicy. Oh wow, I am still imagining eating it. Watching the video, doing the voiceover, I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. This was a really delicious menu that I really enjoyed. And I know, guys, if you try this, you're going to enjoy it also. So, give it a try, guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna light the oven. I'm gonna jerk it into the oven, guys. I'm gonna put it on the grill. I was gonna put it in the foil, but I'd rather put it on the grill. You like that? I begin to Over here I have some seasoning, some scallion, thyme, onion, and sweet pepper. So guys, this is what I'll be putting on the chicken while it jerks, so it can keep all moist and stuff. I like when it is, juicy. I don't like when it's dried out, so constant moisten it with this mixture that I am making here will, allow it to be juicy and, taste so good without being dried and, all of that. I begin to It would be nice if I had blend them. But taking out a blender right now is like too much work for me. Ooh, at this point, guys, I got cut. Ooh, Sean, I get cut. Okay. This.
So babe, why don't you just put them in the blender and blend it?
Yeah, I should have blended them. Yep, sometimes shorten cause what you call it, shorten? Cause problem. Short road draw blood. If I had known I wasn't gonna get cut, guys, I would have just blend them. Come Sean, you have to come finish up this one because I can't put my hand in it. I'm gonna say what to put in it and you do it. Hold on. So guys, because I got cut, Junior took over. If I had known, I would have just used the, look at that, the blender from the beginning. It hurts. I want some of the jerk season, that one. Jerk season, not that one, not that one. The one is pepper. The one in the bag right there, so. Show the guys what to put in it. Some jerk season, and that is going to blend up.
Put in anything else?
Everything is already. So guys, this is what I'm going to do now. I put a hole in this. In the bottom, I'm going to pour the blended mixture in. Bigger. I'm gonna do the rice and peas. So I have a pepper here. Have some scallion and thyme. And some butter. Some sugar. Salt. Cock soup. And the coconut milk.
Yeah, that's why you have a meeting for you.
Look at that, guys. Wow. Guys, now we're about to take out the chicken. Look at that, guys. Look at that.